Alright people, how we doing? Tincture time. This is from Sweden, and it's Mr. Chiliviking's tincture that he's made. Sent it, well, it's been a while coming actually, with the new custom rules and whatever. It took a bit longer to arrive, but I'm excited to try it. He's called it Odin's Wisdom, and he reckons around 1 million on the Scoville scale. It's made with, hearing things, it's made with a mixture of super hots, oranges and cherry flavour. Should be tasty. It looks fantastic, the colour looks brilliant. I've seen obviously Chiliviking trying it, and Mickey's Adventures, he's tried it as well, done a review. So without further ado, try that up tight. Wow, look at that colour. Tell you what, better give that a shake first. Went for a nice walk this morning. There's a large puddle that's frozen over, so we went to see if we could skid on it. We made a lot of mess, should we say. Let's get a full dropper. Can't get a full dropper. Anyway, I'll take that and then another half. Ooh. Oh yeah. Smells delicious. I can actually get cherry and orange. Anyway. Wow. That has a really, really nice flavour. Very sweet. I'd agree with your estimation there. Around 1 million. Wow. That is very tasty. The heat's coming in now. Be a good tolerance builder, that. Tinctures are good for maintaining our building tolerances. Warmth from the inside. I thought a hiccup was coming then, but it's passed. That is a really nice flavour. Oh, it's coming. How the heck did you get that full? I'm useless at this. Anyway. Well, Mr. Chiliviking, that is very nice. Very nice flavour, nice heat. It's not overpowering. It's a nice, kind of want to say subtle, but it's definitely lets you know it's there. Just a mouth really, a little tickle on the back of the throat. I keep thinking I'm going to hiccup, but nice flavour, very nice flavour. I'm going again. It's in the cold sticker he got in front of there. Very nice. I just cannot get a full dropper. It's very moreish. It's kind of tastes like sweets, hot sweets. Very good balance of flavours. Very good balance of flavours. That one got the back of the throat. Very impressed. Heat wise, trying to think of a number. It's not too challenging. I'm going to say maybe a 4. I don't know. It goes quite quickly from the mouth. Tongue's nice and warm though. Roof of the mouth a little bit. Back of the throat's tickly. My voice keeps on going. But overall, that was very nice. Congratulations on a very nice tincture. I've got all sorts of stuff to do for Andrew Eats. It's finding time to do it all. Obviously 3 kids, full-time job. And I have a full-time job. Finding time to get everything in is quite tricky. I want to do the Samyang challenge. It's 5 packets in 10 minutes. I seen on Mike Jack Eats Heat. He did it. I had to go yesterday, just a little practice run, eating 2 packets as fast as I could. And I did 2 packets in 2 minutes and 12 seconds. So going off that, if I could maintain that speed without getting bloated, I think I could probably do it. Also, I've got I need to review some other products. I've got a kindly sent a package from Carrington Foods. I still haven't got round to. I'm very sorry. I will do it at some point. I've got the chug challenges, chocolate bar challenges, peanut brutal still to do. But after a long layoff, I'm starting to get back into it. And yeah, we'll be shooting some more videos soon. So thank you very much for watching. If you like the videos, like, share, subscribe. Leave us a comment, I'll get back to you. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.